How to use Apple Maps while driving. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use Apple Maps while driving, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To use Apple Maps while driving, the issue here is quite simple. If you have Apple Maps application and then you're trying to navigate somewhere and then you want to use it while driving, so first you can just select your destination that you want to go to, and then you will be able to see this type of interface. So you can simply go ahead and then select a location over here, and you can just go ahead and select start directions over here or start mapping it out. So from here you can simply go ahead and select any of the other locations that you want, and then you will be able to simply enter them, and once you enter them you can simply start driving to that particular direction. And once you start driving to that direction, you can simply go ahead and then go to the driving mode over here in order to be able to go ahead and then basically use Apple Maps while driving. This way you can use Apple Maps while driving. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.